Bro, let me tell you a truth nobody else will tell you. When a woman starts ignoring you, it's not because she doesn't have feelings anymore. It's because you're not triggering the right psychological switches. And the worst part? 9% of guys panic. They send long messages, double texts, get jealous, and apologize too much. That actually pushes her even further away. I used to do the same thing and lost amazing women because of it. But recently, I found something called Unlock the Scrambler. It teaches you the exact psychology behind what makes a woman feel attraction. It shows what makes her chase you and how to bring her back, even when you thought it was over. It's not weird manipulation. It's understanding how her mind works, what triggers her desire, and what pulls her back toward you. And honestly, the results are insane. If you want her to text you back, if you want her to chase you again or see you as the guy she never wants to lose, this is exactly what you need. Thousands of men are already using it, and the presentation video converts like crazy. So if you're done struggling, done guessing, done feeling confused, just click the link below the video. Watch the presentation and apply it. Simple, direct, powerful. Click now. Watch the video and let the scrambler do the work.